Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zafan Bajwa and I am from the Department of PS Mystery and my ID is 007. So this is the fifth course of the SQL or SQL and it is all about joining data in SQL or SQL. Let's have a look on the contents of the presentation. It includes four chapters. First one is the introduction to join, and in which we will study about inner join and inner join using case statement. Outer and cross joins, in which we will study about right join, left join, full join. In the third chapter, we will study about set theory clauses, in which we will study about union, union all, intersect, and except. At last, we will study subtheories for in different clauses like from clause, where clause, and select clause. First of all, introduction to join. Inner join. An inner join returns rows where when there is a match in both tables. An inner join returns the result from the two tables that match in both the tables. Let's have a look on the theory in which we will select two tables, lysing them as first one is cities. We will lyse it as city. Second table is the countries, and it will lyse as country from the table cities. So inner join countries on cities using the column country code. It will join the countries on the city, and this join will return the data that will match in both the tables. So next one is the inner join with using statement or using keyword. In this inner join, we will simply replace on keyword with the using keyword, and next and using keyword with column name in the parentheses as shown here. So next one is the case when and then. When we want a specifically filtered result, then we use case statement, in which four keywords are used. First one is the case, second one is when, third one is then, and fourth one is and statement. Alias is optional in this case. So in this query, we will select different columns from the stable countries. We will use the case statement, then when statement, in which surface area is greater than 2 million, then it is large. When surface area is greater than 3.5 million, then it is medium. Else it is small, and the case will end using the keyword and. We will alias the result as geo-size group. So outer and cross join. Left join. Left join selects all records from left table and those from right table which are similar to left one. So here is a query, the query of left join, in which we will select the tables from and aliasing them. Then we will use the left join statement in and joining the countries with alias C2 on table C1 with the column that is on the column which is being uh, uh, resulted. Similarly, right join. It works opposite to left join. It select all records from the right table and those from the left table which are similar to the right one. So here is a query for the right join table. It is similar but replacing the left join with the right join. So full join. Full join extract all records from both the tables. A full join will retrieve data from both the tables, from retrieve all the data from both the tables. uh, uh, Next one is the union operator. It combines results of two tables without duplicating. So here is a query of the union operator. We will select the whole table from economics to 2010. Then will use the set theory clause, which is union, and the second table is the select star from. Uh, we will select the whole column from economics 2015. Then we will sort our data by order by statement and according to code and year. So a union operator will result into a single column in which data in which data from two columns is retrieved, and it does not duplicate it in the single column. So union all, it combines the result of two tables with duplicate. A union all statement will retrieve all the data duplicating in the single column. So here is the query for the union all statement. Intersect. This operator will display results that are present in both tables. So here is the query of the intersect. First, we will select the column. We will select the column from the table, and then we will use the set theory clause, which is the intersect, and then after that we will select the second table column from the table two, and we will sort that result according to the order by statement. So an intersect will uh, display or retrieve result that is present in both the table, for example, economics and populations, except this operator will display the results that are present on only one table according to our condition. For example, in this query, we will select name from cities, and except we will using the except statement, then selecting this capital from the countries column, then we order by when we sort the data according to the order by statement on the name column. So it will retrieve data that is present in name table, and but it does not present in capitals table. So this except statement will retrieve or displays data that is present in only one table according to our condition. So semi-join, it will filter results that are present in tables according to the condition. So here is the query for the semi-join. First of all, we will select the column name from the table one. Then we will use the where statement uh, where statement, and after that we will order by the we will sort the data according to order by, and on the name statement according to name column. Anti-join, it will filter the result that are not present in table according to our condition. So an anti-join will result that data that is not present in the joining conditions. So here is a query for the anti-join. Subqueries. Subqueries inside where clause. In this, one query will act as a subquery for the other query linked by where clause. So subquery uh, this is the where clause in which the select average life expectancy is acting as a subquery in where clause. So the second one is the subquery inside select clause. In this, the subquery is present in the select clause. Here we can see select countries as country, select count a static star from cities. It is the subquery present in the select statement that will retrieve all the data from the cities column. At last, we will study about subquery inside from clause. So here subquery will nested in the from clause. As we see here, when we select data from local name and subquery from countries, then the subquery will present in from clause, which will have the syntax as shown in the figure. So that's all from my side, and this is the statement of accomplishment on completing the joining data in SQL. Thank you. That's all from my side.